If you don't have a design ready to use, you can create one on the platform. You can either do it directly through the campaign in the step-by-step, or you can do this first through the designs page. Clicking on designs on the toggle menu brings us to the designs page where you can see all of your previous templates. From here you can create a new design. We're going to select an A5 postcard, but all the other template options are there for you. If you want to upload your artwork for future use, you can select your PDF, or you can go to your templates and edit previous templates that are on there. We're going to start with a blank canvas on this one. This brings us to our design tool. From here you'll see all the usual options of inserting an image and text block, inserting a QR code if you want to track your mailings. If you've got a certain company colour that you like to use for QR codes, you can select that here or enter the code, and that changes the colour there. There's layers, so you can edit each layer and where they sit on the design, or you can upload background images. So stock images for your use here. You can search for images. And that adds it to your postcard here. You can flick between the pages here at the top and undo and redo. You can insert your text blocks here as usual with all the usual text options: sizing, colour, alignment, centering, with a few more positioning tools down here too. We have the ruler, grid, and the option to zoom in and out to get a full view of your postcard. On the text here you can also insert data variables to pull from your data and pop those where you like. Once you're happy with your design, you can save and continue. Naming your template here. This then creates the design here ready for you to use in any campaigns in the future, or edit going forward if you need to. You can download it if you need to send it on to others for approval, and go in and edit from here too. Once that design's uploaded here, it'll be available to use on your campaigns in the future.